These are the plaintiffs, Anthony and Edward Orlowski. Anthony says the defendant hired his brother to paint him a picture so he could give it to his wife for their anniversary. His brother finished the painting and emailed a photo of it. The guy loved what he saw, and then poof, nothing. They have no idea what happened, but spent time and money on this project and demand payment. They're suing for $268, the amount they're owed. This is the defendant, Tim Graff. He says he told the plaintiffs he needed the painting by a certain date, which came and went. He gave them a little more time, and that deadline passed yet again. Besides, when the painting was finally completed, it was terrible. And he's not giving them a dime because his anniversary is long past. He's accused of not accepting a work of art.
Let it get signed and sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Douglas. Anthony and Edward Orlowski, yes. You are suing Tim Graff for $268, a cost of a painting and some supplies that you say he promised to pay and did not. Tell me what's going on.
On December 1st, I was scrolling...
Who are you, Anthony or Edward?
Yeah, Anthony.
You're Anthony. Who's the painter? Edward. Okay.
Sorry.
Are you brothers?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. How old are you?
17.
17? How old are you?
21.
Good Lord. Okay, so go ahead.
On December 1st, I was looking through the popular classified ad website, Craigslist, and I saw the defendant's ad. He wanted a picture painted for his wife. So I emailed him back the next day.
Were you specifically looking for people who wanted paintings?
Yeah, I was looking around just to help out.
Yeah. And I think that when you send your email, you say, I am the manager for a painter.
Yeah.
You're just too cute, sorry. So you're the 17-year-old brother of the painter,
yeah.
And what do you do?
And he said, I asked him what he was looking to spend for it. He told me $250 plus supplies. So he said I would like to be finished by Christmas. So December 24th, it was all done. We called the defendant, and he didn't answer his phone. He said that I emailed him like 3 times just to ask him, what's up? Do you want it or not? Because I don't want to be stuck with it. And he said that his phone broke, he's sorry, and he kept giving me excuses.
How long did it take you to paint it? I want you to be able to answer something without your manager.
He handles my business.
He handles your business side? He's pretty good at it.
We picked up the canvas on about the 20th. I started painting it once it was confirmed that he wanted it because I didn't want to, waste my time and my effort. And plus, it's end of the school year, trying to get my work in and whatnot.
Right. What are you going to school for?
Art.
Art, okay.
Yeah. Art and animation.
All right, and then you've got some other things there?
Yeah, this is just some other work of mine they told me to bring along. Just some other stuff that I had finished up for class. That's a copy of a Mannerist painting.
And that's a copy of what?
Of this. This is the email from his blog, but when I recently went on the blog, it was You're
very
removed.
Talented.
Thank you.
Okay. So what happened here, Mr. Graff?
I first of all, I needed the gift done.
What was this? What were you doing?
My wife is an amateur photographer. I think she's great, but she calls herself an amateur photographer. And I have some original pictures here if you'd like to see them.
And this is a picture taken when?
We went to a dude ranch right after we were married, and we were both sitting there on the veranda.
How long have you been married?
3 years, this past December 2nd.
Okay, so go on.
And we went to this dude ranch, so we're sitting there after a long ride that day, and my wife said she took the picture, and then she just had it for a while, and I really loved it. I loved the whole Western motif, and I said, why don't I get this painted for her? So I put an ad up on Craigslist, and I had a bunch of people responding, you loser, it's your anniversary, get it done quick, and then this gentleman... Yeah.
Just people just messing
horrible,
with you,
yeah.
not... Okay.
I'm like crying at the laptop, saying, I'm not a loser.
Okay.
Anyways, and then Anthony contacted me, very nice. But I needed it done by December 2nd, which I specified.
Okay, do you have an email that shows that you wanted it done by December 2nd?
Yes, ma'am.
May I see it?
I do. Let me go through my files now. December 24th. Well, I don't have, I'd have to go through this. I wasn't expecting...
Yeah, well, you didn't expect me to ask a question like, did they breach a contract? That was, I threw that one out of left field, huh?
Nice. I have the 5th. I have messages on the 5th when we were talking.
5th of what?
December.
Yeah, except for that you don't have them before December 2nd,
I did delete a lot of emails, I know that.
So you deleted the ones that proved that you wanted it before December 2nd, loser, because the fact of the matter is that your anniversary had passed, and the emails on December 5th, it says, well, my anniversary, I'm just kidding about the loser part, because I don't know that I've ever seen a litigant who loved his wife more than you.
Yes.
What is your email?
My email...
Yeah, what's your email address?
I love my Lexi 0205.
Who's Lexi, your car or your
Alexis.
wife? Okay. You know, I mean, I can try to imagine if my husband would ever do anything remotely as romantic as name his email after me or paint a picture from our honeymoon or freak out about a present at all. Right. You know, as opposed to me buying something and saying, here, wrap that up, baby. You know, which we've even dropped that little charade, but okay. I hope he's not listening. All right, in any event, why won't you pay these folks for doing this job? What's the problem?
I told my wife this. I said, listen, I should have been more proactive than I was. I run a very, very busy companion service for adults, older adults that can't really take care of themselves. I'm always on the phone. I run the company. And I'm very busy. To go out there was an inconvenience. And honestly, I feel bad. I should have been more responsible. I mean that. You guys are nice guys. I saw the picture and everything. But I should have been more proactive, but I just didn't have the time, to be honest with you. And to
That's your defense?
To go to Massapequa and to get it. And when I saw the picture after it was done, it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. But it did look pretty, but then my wife saw it. She wasn't supposed to see it. And then she told me, she's like, honey, I really don't like what you got me. And that was a couple presents later, so I felt really bad.
Really?
She has a dark side, yes.
She did.
No, she doesn't.
Come on up. Defend yourself. What was it you said to him?
Not that I didn't, the thought, you know, it was beautiful. The whole concept to get the picture done in a painting was beautiful. He had no idea that I had seen the photo that the guy had sent over, and he had saved under my pictures and all, so I clicked on it and I saw it, and I kept it to myself. I'm like, look at that. I don't really like the way the painting came out.
Okay.
And it's a huge painting. It's got to go somewhere in my house.
Right.
And where's it, you know what I mean? It's like, this is something that's going to be showcased.
Okay.
So anyway, so time went on. I didn't even tell him I saw the picture. So when this all came out, which was, you know, I didn't know this was going on this long, I thought it was pretty much dropped. And then I finally told him just a couple of weeks ago, I said, I really don't even like the picture anyway. And I felt bad. I did.
You mean the painting, not the picture?
The painting, forgive me.
All right, now,
yes.
you hear what he's saying?
Okay, you've seen the photo, you've seen the picture. Is it a decent picture? Yeah. Decent picture?
Nice picture.
I mean, the painting, rather, is it? Why do you like it?
It resembles it very well.
It resembles it well?
Detail into it. You put a lot of detail.
He did put a lot of detail. Should the guy get paid? That's the question.
Absolutely.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, going inside the courtroom.
You're saying, what are you saying? I'm very busy and I dropped the ball.
Yeah.
They missed deadlines that you wanted them to make.
Yes.
And after all, you don't like the painting. Okay, let's look at these emails. On December 2nd, he's asking you to send him a picture. So we know you did not, you may have wanted it by the 2nd, but you certainly didn't hire them by the 2nd. On December 8th, you send him an email that says, where he's asking you, when's your anniversary? And you respond, well, it was December 2nd, but I got her a pearl necklace. If it could be done by Christmas, I would love that. On December 20th, the manager sends you an email. Okay, I want to do this for you. I just bought the canvas. You definitely want it, right? Should I put the writing in too? Your answer, December 21st. Yeah, that would be so awesome. I thought you forgot about this. How much do you want to paint this? Okay, sounds good. 250 plus supplies. All that is settled on the 21st of December. The 24th, they send to you, it's finished. I called your phone. You're not responding. Can you come and pick it up? Call me. See how much of the payment you can get me because I really have to do some Christmas shopping. The 24th, they send you another email. The 25th, they send you an email. I'm not going to get stuck with this painting. Email me back, please. And on the 25th, you finally email back, apologizing, saying your cell broke. So it's not them who failed to deliver it on the 25th. Then, for the rest of December and January, there's a series of efforts to try to meet. January 19th, why aren't you getting back to me? You're going to make us sue you. We don't want to sue you. And then January 21st, which must be after she told him, I don't really like it and I don't want to hang it in my home, where he says, I have probably the best attorneys around representing my business. Don't threaten me with the law. Very low blow. I run a company for a living, 60 to 70 hours a week. I needed this gift by December 2nd, and you didn't contact me until after the fact. You're just rewriting history, my friend. You got to pay these guys. Okay? $250 plus your $18 in expenses plus your court costs. Good luck.
Okay, so let's see what the defendant has to say here. You come out on the losing end here.
I did. You know what? It comes down to I should have just got the picture regardless of whether you liked it or not. I should have just got the picture.
Yeah.
I feel bad.
Well, you got it now.
I got it now. Lucky me.
Yeah, well, it looks like a nice picture. Do you like the picture?
It's fine.
It's going to go in my cowboy room.
Yeah,
right?
maybe my...
It's going to go in my cowboy room.
Why'd you make these guys sue you?
I really didn't make them sue me. They wanted to. But, you know, listen, I'm very busy. I offered them both jobs.
Okay, head right there. You're busy. Okay, you just go that way. All right. All right, come on in here. That's their painting now. Come on in here. Step in here. What are you doing with their painting?
I'm not sure, actually.
How do you like the way it came out?
I'm proud of it, actually.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's some things that...
You're an art student, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty perfectionist about it. I kind of want to, like, go back in there again.
Hey,
but
this is a big ad for you, you know. Showing your work on national TV here.
That works.
You pretty excited?
I guess so, you know.
All right.
Just happy to get, you know, what was agreed upon.
Okay, good luck. Give that to him in the back,
Thank
okay?
you.
All right, Harvey?
Okay, where time is really important to you, you have to write in the contract the words, time is of the essence. Those are magic words. And that will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.